Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Hyundai i20 here on a 2010 plate, which is 2010-11. I've already removed this cover. Just remember, when you do remove this cover, it's got a seal on it. So it goes on the back right there. So it goes like this, and you twist it to your right or left, whichever way it was. I think it was right. Yeah, that's it. That's how it goes in. Take it out. The bulb you need, it is a 501 bulb. You'll find the bulb in the link. There'll be a link for it in the description. So just that one there we need to replace. Now they do usually get really tight, so spray some WD-40 around the plug there, and then what you got to do is wiggle, so get your fingers in there, wiggle, and then pull the whole thing out. So basically this is what we're replacing. So it is a 501 bulb, capless bulb. There's only one way the bulb would go as well, so you can see right there. So that's how it goes. Just going to get a new one, get the new one fitted. Just going to remove my gloves, put a set of new gloves on. I've got the new one fitted. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to slot it through that hole right there. Once it goes in, you push it in. That's it, job done. Put the cover back on. Like I said, the cover, make sure the seal's on there. So you twist it to your left and make sure it's nice and tight as well. I've done that as well, so that's pretty good. So we're going to check if the lights are working. This was a good one. So that one's working now. That one's already working. This one's working now. That's all it is on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also, there's a special thanks button. Don't forget to click that. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.